Is your team losing time managing transmittals? Unmanaged project data leads to delays, frustration and compliance risks, especially when working to meet the Irish National Annex. Transmittals are a critical part of every project, but when data is unmanaged, disorganised or non-compliant, they become a bottleneck that slows everything down. Sound familiar? With Pentagon Docs Assistant, transmittals are fast, easy and compliant. You'll get structured data, version control, full audit history and instant access for your teams and management, saving time and keeping your projects on track. Let's take a look with Pentagon's Principal Data Management Solutions Consultant Julian Jones to see how Pentagon Docs Assistant simplifies transmittals while ensuring compliance with the Irish National Annex.
However, Pentagon Docs Assistant does also have additional transmittals functionality to allow you to track your issued information. We can create a transmittal for this project and set the reasons for issuing the transmittal and its type. These are all fully configurable. We can also select the recipients for the transmittal. We can choose the options for how these recipients will receive the transmittal, which will be used to populate the transmittal issue report content. Now that we have created a draft transmittal, we can return to Pentagon Docs Assistant to select the documents that we wish to issue. With the documents selected, we can now click Add to Transmittal, then select our draft transmittal and click the Add Documents button. All selected documents and their additions will now be added to the draft transmittal. We can simply remove any native file formats should we only wish to issue PDF documents on the transmittal. Once we are happy with the draft transmittal, we can then build and check in the transmittal. We shall now create a transmittal in Pentagon Docs Assistant containing a document issue sheet and a zip file containing the issue sheet and the documents. Returning to the vault, we can use the transmittals view to easily locate the transmittal that we just created. We can verify that the transmittal creates a transmittal issue sheet containing the information that we just issued. We can also view the zip file. This contains a copy of the issue sheet and each of the documents that was attached to the transmittal, so this can be easily uploaded or sent to a customer. Links are also created to the documents that were issued with this transmittal, and they're all version specific, so you can easily view the history of a transmittal. Transmittals can also be reissued, and this will build up the history of the issues within the transmittal sheet, as we can see from this previous transmittal that has been created in the vault.
Ready to take control of your project data and simplify compliance? Get in touch with us today to see how Pentagon Docs Assistant can transform the way your team manages transmittals. Whether you're looking to save time, improve visibility or stay compliant with the Irish National Annex, we are here to help. Let's make your data work for you. Contact us or request a demo now.